Hello everyone, here is a question on definite integrals. We have the integral from -1 to k of 2x minus 1 dx is equal to 4. What is the value of k? Alright, integral from -1 to k of 2x minus 1 with respect to x. We are told that the result is 4. Alright, so how do we get the value of k? We evaluate the left hand side. Okay, the integral of a sum is equal to the sum of the integrals. So the left hand side just becomes 2x squared all over 2 minus x negative 1k. We're told that it is 4. Okay, so these two cancel with these two, and so we have x squared minus x negative 1 to k is 4. So we start with the upper limit. We put k first, so we're going to have k squared minus k. Then minus, we now take the lower limit, we do the same thing. We have negative 1 squared minus negative 1. Now, negative 1 squared is the same as negative 1 multiplied to negative 1. So, first of all, handle the signs. Negative multiplied to negative, positive. 1 multiplied to 1 is 1. So, this is positive 1. Therefore, we have all of that is equal to 4. So we have k squared minus k minus, this is positive 1, negative, negative, positive. All of that is equal to 4. We have k squared minus k minus 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 4. Let us take 4 from the right hand side and bring it to the left hand side. This 4 is positive. When it's coming here, it becomes negative. So k squared minus k minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. So we have k squared minus k minus 6 is equal to 0. We end up with this quadratic to solve for k. So let us use the factor method. What are those two factors of negative 6? Whose sum is going to be negative 1? All right, the two factors are negative 3 and positive 2. So we write k minus 3, k positive 2 is equal to 0. Now we have the product of two expressions giving us 0. Definitely it means one of them must be 0. So which one? So either the first one, k minus 3 is equal to 0. If that is true, then we are saying k is 3. Or the second one, k plus 2 is equal to 0. If that is true, then k is negative 2. So we have two values of k, positive 3 and negative 2. Right? K is either 3 or k is negative 2. But if we look at our limits of integration, we're integrating from -1 to k, all right, of our function. Now, this means that the interval of integration is from -1 to k. This means that k must be greater than -1. If we look at it here, the value k equals -2 is going to be rejected because here k is less than -1, which is not supposed to be the case. Therefore, this value is rejected, and so the only value for k will be k is equal to 3.